Delclynee cap heat press is manufactured around the idea that the best quality components will produce the most durable and most accurate machines. We have the unmatched quality and class craftsmanship. Let's take a look at some of the features of this heat press. The first about the Delclynee heat press is solid steel welded framework. Reinforced structure to ensure high pressure make this heat press capable of all heavy-duty applications. The powerful clamp mechanism is easy to increase leverage to torque. Make sure that provides complete end-to-end even pressure and heating. The gas shock opening mechanism guarantees the smoothest open and closed action possible. The 3.8 inches wide and 6.7 inches long heat platen is specially coated to ensure easy cleanup the event that transfer materials stick to the heating element. Molded silicone lower platen to reduce marked line and scorching. Delclynee offered two interchangeable lower cap platens, fitted structured caps, and low-profile caps, and many other style heads. The Delclynee cap press can be adjusted by using a pressure adjustment knob. Turn it clockwise to increase the pressure and counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. The cap structure can be fixed up or down, allowing you to easily place that head with both hands and ensure if the cap or head you are pressing is snug and secure. The shape is lightness and beauty, compact design, but there is still enough space between where you load the head and the base of the press, which allows you to rotate the head and print around it while the bill still hangs on. Turn on the heat press by pressing the power switch into on position. Press temp button. To access target temperature settings, press the up or down arrow to set desired temperature. Press the temp button again to lock it in. Press temp button to access target time settings. Press the up or down arrow to set desired time. Press the time button again to lock it in. All heat press is sold by Delclynee undergo extensive quality control procedures before they are shipped, and each unit comes with 1-year parts and service warranty from the original date of purchase. Whether you own a business or looking to start a business or just enjoy keep pressing as a hobby, we are confident that the Delclynee heat press will excel at all your heat transfer applications.